RDDT stock is super interesting. Is it a buy is the question? And in this 1 minute video, I'm also giving you my Reddit stock analysis and price predictions. So, looking at Reddit stock, yeah, man. I mean, the last thing that I'm gonna do is just blindly, and this is the word here, blindly be bullish here. Like all I'm waiting for is the price to give me the rules for me to be bullish, because the chances are that this bearish momentum is just more like they're not going to continue and make new lows. So there's no point for me to just blindly be bullish. And just for context, okay, context, I'm using my strategy and system that has previously given me thousands of wins 2023. And I'm telling you all of this because that is the truth and I've documented everything. So looking at Reddit, that's the main thing that I'm waiting for, a double break. Double break for the win, mainly because that indicates bullish momentum. And how's that going to look like? So, for example, let's check out. Yeah, the 2 hour makes a lot of sense. So why not use that? That's my outlook on Reddit. We also don't have that much data at all, right? We don't have that much candles. So surely I'm keeping you updated. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.